Welcome back, SRC Toys. My name is Will. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. I got the new tires for the red TRAXXAS MAXX. These came from Island Hobby Nut. It's on Long Island. And I ordered them yesterday afternoon. I mean, I'm talking late. Like 4:30-ish. And they came today. Next day. Thank you. I appreciate that. Break these bad boys open. See what we got. See one tire, you've seen them all, you know. Oh, yeah. There's some red. These are the Scorpions. These are belted tires. It's going to be off to the side video. So you can see the MAXX as I put them on. I appreciate it. I enjoy making these videos. I hope you enjoy watching them. These are nice tires. So let's put them on that MAXX and see how they look. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna take these side by side now. They are bigger than the stock tires, see? Wow. They're a lot bigger. September, I believe today's the 25th. And I'm cold. I did it, guys. I turned the heat on. The only thing this MAXX does not have is it does not have the RPM oversized carriers. Which I'm thinking now I probably should do them. think, guys? I think it looks sick. Okay, here you go, guys. I'm still waiting on the Cush drive for it. So that, and I'm waiting for the pigtail battery connectors for it. Oh, it's ready to rip. It does. That looks really nice. Thank you for watching. Remember, leave your name and address in the comment, and I'll send you a sticker or a magnet. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you like the video and the content. As soon as I get this X-Max sold, I'll get another X-Max, and we'll do some more X-Max videos. Thank you.